Are you looking for the best cold crypto wallets? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best cold crypto wallets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ledger Live App. The Ledger Nano X, Onyx Black, is a premium hardware wallet designed to securely store and manage cryptocurrencies. It offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to connect it wirelessly to mobile devices via the Ledger Live app. Key features: secure storage. Your private keys never leave the device, ensuring protection from hacks and malware. Bluetooth connectivity. Manage your assets on the go with a wireless connection to your smartphone. Multi-currency support. Supports 500+ coins and tokens, including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, XRP, and more. Large capacity. Install up to 100 apps at a time for different cryptocurrencies. Easy management. Use the Ledger Live app for transactions, staking, and portfolio tracking. Backup and recovery. Comes with a 24-word recovery phrase for restoring your wallet if lost or damaged. Durable design. The Onyx Black finish adds a sleek look with a robust build. Number 2. Bluetooth enabled. The Ledger Nano X, Gold Edition, is a premium Bluetooth-enabled hardware wallet designed for securely managing your cryptocurrencies and NFTs while on the go. It combines top-tier security with a stylish gold finish, making it both functional and elegant. Key features: secure storage, keeps your private keys offline, safe from hackers. Bluetooth connectivity, manage assets wirelessly via the Ledger Live app, iOS and Android. Multi-currency and NFT support. Store and manage 500+ coins and tokens, plus Ethereum and Polygon NFTs. Large app capacity. Install up to 100 cryptocurrency apps at once. Ledger Live integration. Buy, swap, and stake crypto directly from the app. Backup and recovery. Comes with a 24-word recovery phrase for restoring your wallet. Premium design. Exclusive gold finish for a sleek and durable look. Number 3. Ledger Nano S Plus. The Ledger Nano S Plus, Amethyst Purple, is a secure entry-level hardware wallet designed for safely managing cryptocurrencies and NFTs. It combines affordability with Ledger's industry-leading security, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. Key features of Ledger Nano S Plus, Amethyst Purple. Secure storage. Keeps private keys offline, protecting them from hacks. NFT and multi-crypto support. Manage 500+ coins and tokens, plus Ethereum and Polygon NFTs. Bigger screen and more storage. Larger display and increased memory compared to the Nano S. Ledger Live app compatibility. Buy, swap, stake, and track crypto easily. USB-C connection. Faster and more convenient connectivity. Affordable and reliable. A budget-friendly option without compromising on security. Sleek amethyst purple finish. Stylish and unique design for crypto enthusiasts. Number 4. Crypto hardware wallet with Bluetooth connectivit. It sounds like you're looking for a crypto hardware wallet with Bluetooth connectivity, offline seed phrase storage, secure NFT support, and multi-currency compatibility in black. Key features to look for in a secure hardware wallet. Completely offline security. Keeps private keys offline to prevent hacks and malware attacks. Bluetooth connectivity. Enables wireless management of crypto assets via a mobile app. Multi-currency support. Compatible with 500+ cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Solana, SOL, and more. Secure NFT storage. Manage Ethereum and Polygon-based NFTs safely. Seed phrase backup. Protects your 24-word recovery phrase with encryption for secure access. Ledger Live/compatible software. Use Ledger Live, Trezor Suite, or other trusted apps to manage funds. Premium black design. Sleek, professional finish for a stylish look. Recommended options. Ledger Nano X, Black. Bluetooth enabled, supports 100+ apps, great for on-the-go management. Trezor Model T, touchscreen, open-source firmware, and excellent seed phrase protection. Elipal Titan, air-gapped cold wallet with a metal case for extra durability. Number 5. Ledger Nano X Case. The Ledger Nano X, Onyx Black, plus Ledger Nano X Case bundle is the perfect combination for securely storing and managing your cryptocurrency and NFTs while ensuring extra protection for your device. What's included in the bundle? 1. Ledger Nano X, Onyx Black. A Bluetooth-enabled hardware wallet that keeps your private keys offline and secure. 2. Ledger Nano X Protective Case. A durable and portable case to protect your hardware wallet from physical damage, dust, and scratches. Key features of Ledger Nano X. Secure storage. Keeps private keys offline, safe from hacks. Bluetooth connectivity. Manage crypto wirelessly via Ledger Live, iOS and Android. Multi-currency and NFT support. Manage 500+ coins and tokens, plus Ethereum and Polygon NFTs. Large app capacity. Install up to 100 cryptocurrency apps simultaneously. Ledger Live integration. Buy, sell, swap, and stake crypto directly from the app. Backup and recovery. Uses a 24-word recovery phrase for secure wallet restoration. Sleek Onyx Black design. Premium, modern look with a durable metal finish. Benefits of the Ledger Nano X Case. Enhanced protection. Shields your ledger from drops, dust, and scratches. Portable and lightweight. Perfect for carrying your device safely while traveling. Premium quality material. Designed for durability without compromising style.